Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Option Alpha review. Is it worth it? Option Alpha is a subscription service focused on options trading, education, and automated strategies designed to help traders, especially beginners, navigate structured setups like iron condors and butterflies. Its strengths lie in highly accessible education with beginner friendly courses, video guides, weekly podcasts, and a community driven environment, plus automated trading without coding, demo modes, and flexible pricing ranging from $79 to $199 per month with a 14-day trial and refund options. However, there are notable drawbacks. The strategy edge is limited, backtesting reliability is mixed, and live trading can underperform paper results, particularly in volatile markets. Experienced traders report minimal or negative returns after fees, and complex strategies like stratos, diagonals, or earning plays are not well supported. In summary, Option Alpha is ideal for beginners seeking structured guidance and automation, but it may not provide the performance or scalability advanced traders require. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.